Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
These 363A IPC. 363A IPC tells that kidnapping or maiming a minor for begging is 363A IPC. Maiming. Maiming is voluntarily mutilating a child to be handicapped is maiming. So according to 363A, kidnapping or maiming a minor for begging is punishable up to is punishable. According to 363A IPC, the punishment is 10 years for kidnapping, and for maiming the punishment is life imprisonment. 366A IPC. According to 366A IPC, to procure a child less than 18 years of age, to procure a girl less than 18 years of age for illicit sexual intercourse or prostitution is punished by 10 years of imprisonment and fine. So 18 years is important. 18 years, a person can be major, a person can vote, a person can enter government service, a person can make a valid will at the age of 18 years.
thank you and thank you for watching.